Should I do an actual intro?
Yeah, bros, it's Xander in the hood.
Yo, 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 it's Super Handful. Welcome to Place Where I like to shift a lot.
Look at my flag now. Look at my flag now.
Oh god.
Bro, that's a great flag.
No, it's not. Really not. The whole idea of it, of me having it, is ironic.
Hold on, where?
Spend your hair right is gone. So be it, you know,
Okay.
Dab.
Zach, just pick a flag, bro.
I did.
Oh, you
Let's
did?
start.
You're good now? Ben, go to a
Hold
game.
on, wait. I'm trying to. I don't know where the fart my shit is.
I think I know where it is.
He said the F word.
Man, I was about to cut all this out of the video when I edit it, but I think I'm gonna leave this in here.
Man, he said the F word.
That's a nice crowd you have there, Zach. Yo, 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 welcome to Rocket League, my dudes. That's my intro, guys.
Plus minus.
Fine. Probably about to cut that part out.
Nope. No, you're not. No, you won't. I know you won't. Because I'm telling you not to.
Do I even have to edit these? Can I just, like, throw them onto YouTube?
Yeah, throw on. This should be good enough.
It's
Okay,
raw
so-
footage.
Yes. Good book.
Oh, that didn't go so well. Ben, hit the ball. What are you doing?
Oh, hold up.
Oh, I just hit you into the net. Oh, there you go. Now he's doing things.
Oh, you little vagina.
don't. You don't.
Ben, now this is gonna be age restricted.
And demonetized.
Just
Move,
censor
Ben.
it. Ah,
Demonetized.
Move. We deserve that.
Move.
Ben, we deserve that. I keep hitting you,
That guy
Ben.
missed. He like comes back calculating and misses. That's great.
Alright, I got this.
Yeah, you got this, bro. I believe in you.
But I didn't have it.
my sunset. My sunset. My salsa makes all the better girls dance and want to take up their own steps. My salsa. My salsa.
I don't bloody think so, mate.
My
I
salsa makes
saved
all the
it,
pretty girls
Luigi.
dance and want to take up their underpants. My salsa.
If I had boost, I could have made that.
Ben, you centered that way too fast.
Well, you're slow. Oh, I blew that guy.
Oh my! No!
No!
Oh!
I saved it!
Oh!
I saved it!
No, that was me.
Oh, okay, I can see it. I thought I saved it.
They don't even know the name of my band.
No, it's my boost.
Oh, hey, look, cool.
Yeah, I look good. Goals are for amateurs. Shooting on your own goal is the next best.
Yeah, what you said. Why didn't any of you get the ball?
I want them to shoot. I'm gonna help them win the game.
You're supposed to get the ball, Zach. What's wrong with you?
Look. You're not my mom.
No, you. Ben, what are you doing?
Didn't I farted it? And I commented in my pen.
Oh no! Oh, that almost went in. Nice save, guys. Ben, why'd you leave the match, bro?
Big Benjamin out left.
Oopsies.
Why'd you leave, and how did you leave? But more. Oh, they just scored.
No, they didn't.
Now they did.
You know why they didn't score?
Ben, get back here.
You know how they didn't score? Boop.
But they literally just scored, though, bro.
You know how they didn't score? They didn't score because they didn't score, bro.
Advice from Severin. Wait, Zach, you know who Severin is? He's in your grade?
Sever mustard.
Yeah. He's pretty cool. Advice from Severin. Get a water bottle, fill it with bees, shake it, enjoy your new vibrator.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Nope.
No!
Did the ball just teleport there? Did the ball just teleport there?
No, it bounced off the wall and bounced off the side of my car.
I thought it teleported.
Ball teleports into the
Let's all
goal.
go for it. Everybody go for it. Everybody go for it. I'll boost you. Boop. Oh.
Oh, I just got a save for that. It's sick.
I just got your mom.
Oh god.
Hey, look, go.
Yeah, I should have put it in my pants. Oh, hey, look, go.
Oh, boo, they saved it. What's wrong with them? They play this game right? The crap.
Oh, look. Oh.
My sister makes a living girl dance and
Oh,
want
damn.
to take after a girl.
Oh,
But
dude.
Yeah, I scored.
You put
I
the
had
ball
to
in
even
the
the
net,
score.
bro?
I had to even the score out. I
But
had
why
to.
though?
Listen, look, you don't understand.
You're not
Because
playing
Xander,
right.
you're young. Xander, you're young. You don't understand. You have to make it so it's fair.
But all's fair in love and war, and this isn't love or war. Oh no, I just missed. It's fine.
oh, hey, he missed too. It's fine.
Loser. Did I just center it for them?
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Okay.
This is not cool.
I just centered it for them, didn't I? Man, if I had dropped down like half a second later, I could have saved that.
Ooh, nice.
Ah! You hit me, bro. I say that like I've never hit Ben before.
No!
You used to hit your push to talk and make the clicking noises. Hang on. Oh, well dang. Man, we're really bad at this.
I helped him there. I helped him just a little bit. This game sucks. But it's still fun. First touch.
No.
Dang.
Wow, they're clapping us. We can still win though. Like, listen up.
We can still win in 30 seconds. There were
Yes,
4
right.
goals in 30 seconds.
Yes,
That's
possible.
only one goal every like 9-ish seconds.
Alright, I can do that.
Ah,
Move.
hit me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make the goal, make the goal, make the goal, make the goal.
We had to score 2 seconds ago. 5 seconds ago.
Come on. Move, nerd. Come on, nerd.
We should have scored
What you got?
3 times already.
Move, nerd.
Ah, loser.
Yeah, let's go. That was my goal, but it's okay. We still have 7 seconds. We have 7 seconds. We'll do this, okay? That was my goal, Xander, but it's okay.
Losers.
Can I hear you?
I think so. It is.
Not if I say about it. Ooh, that was
It's fine. Lowest score wins, bros. We just won.
You just won. It's a goal post.
Golf rules, my boys.
Alright, my mic in my hair. Tell me what it sounds like. What does that sound like? What does it sound like?
Gayest one loses.
You're not. Oop, I put a J in there.
You're not Ron.
You're not wrong.
So your mom lost. RXD.
To RXD.
CX.
Man. Look at that guy's profile
Same
pic.
people.
Look
It's
at
same
that.
people.
That's a great profile pic that guy has.
Trumpy?
Are we playing the same people?
Liberals. We're a bunch of liberals. We're a bunch of liberal scum. Brahma man.
Oh, Ben, why are you sitting there, you dang guy?
Brahma.
Oh, I missed. It's fine. Ben, hit the ball. Ben, hit the ball. Ben, hit the ball. Zach, you completely missed. That was great. I like how Zach cuts out like half the time before he says things.
That was my goal. Let me steal it.
No, you.
Look, this is my goal. See? See?
You got hit 8. Fine.
God damn it.
This is my goal, definitely. Definitely. See, if you let them have it, right?
Why didn't you get it, Zach? Oh, that
If you
idiot just missed.
if you let them, let them have it.
That guy just literally just jumped over the ball.
If you let them have it, they'll become more nice to you. Now the real question is, Xander, who's idiot here? Because I didn't go for it either.
Don't worry about it. Oh. Fake out works, bro.
Stop stealing my goals, Xander. God.
Totally trying to do
You're being
that
kinda
fake
dumb
out
right
there.
now.
Look at that, look at that. I pretended to hit it. Ben pretended to hit it. But he did hit it. And then I scored. Why you keep saying stuff in team chat, you dang guy.
Because it's
You
for our
just hit
team.
me, bro.
That's, like, is there a problem?
Yes.
What's the problem?
Kind of homo.
Stop stealing my goals, guys.
Yeah,
I'm doing
bro.
all the work here.
Has 22 points. Doing all the work.
A guy on their team has 2.
How did you get points? What?
You just do stuff, I don't know.
So if I blow,
How does he have 2 points? What the crap?
if I keep blowing them up, will they give me points?
Can you get points for
probably.
blowing people?
Oh, I didn't kill him. No! Stop shooting at our goal. It's my job.
Oh, dang.
Because it's my job.
Holy cow. You know those 40-pound pigs? Yeah, this wasn't one of them. About to cut that part out. Expecting some laughter.
Okay. We don't get all we want. We don't get everything we want, Xander. We're not living. Yeah.
Ben, did you steal Zach's goal?
Ben, can you stop stealing my goals? Like, honest. You see how I was right there?
Look at that. Like, Zach launched it into the air.
What a liberal.
Zach launched it in the air, then Ben hit it. What a dang guy.
Liberals.
Yeah, liberals, am I right?
Move, liberals.
Cards.
Oh, that was interesting. All three of them went for the ball, and only one of them...
Oh my god, these liberals! These libtards. African worship.
Boop.
Ben, I'm gonna have to tell you one more time before I get off again. Stop stealing my goddamn freaking goals.
Christmas is canceled. Boys, you heard it. Santa, because of the government shutdown, Santa can't enter the airspace. Don't you know?
That's true. Obviously why. Oh! That could be it!
Oh shit!
Oh, dang.
Watch that, dude.
That was sick, bro. How did you do that? And how did you hit it that hard? Jeez.
It was a collaborative effort. Did you see that?
Yeah, bro.
See? The blue guy helped me.
Look at that guy that tried to hit it. Your dad beats your mom. Santa, oh my, these guys. Hold up, I want to say things that we're playing currently.
Move, Ben. Move, Ben. This is I'm helping them. You don't understand. I'm being nice.
That's not how you spell wrong.
You're not wrong, man.
Roggen. Oh, why did you hit it up there, Ben? You dang guy.
I'm so used to them like just hitting it away right away.
Not if I have anything to say about this.
Next shot worth 10 points. No. Wait, next shot? So just for shooting it, you can get 10 points. That makes no sense.
No, it makes plenty of sense. Look, I just got 10 points. Wait, watch the replay. I landed on the other guy.
Nice.
No way, no way, no way.
So the score is 16-10 now, right?
Move.
No, you.
Move. Move before I make you move. Move. Move before I make you move. Move.
Oop, I missed. It's fine. Stop! Ben, you just launched me across the arena.
No, the other guy hit me into you.
Oh, he did? So that's weird.
Oh, I just
You just launched me, Zach. You dang guy.
Wait, so Zach hit me into you and launched you across the arena?
Yes. Or did the other guy on the other team hit you into me and launched me across?
I'm gonna go for them. Wait. No, guys, let them have a goal. Don't shoot that. Don't shoot that.
Get it! No!
My car's floating in front of it.
Why weren't you there, bro?
I'm a
if you
sniper.
would let me get that, I could have scored.
I got a sniper gun on the roof pack.
Ooh, level 43. Oh,
Now I
sick.
got
I unlocked the Hawaiian lei. Oh, equipped now. But I
Lost
have
the
a
slaw.
lei on my car now. Alright, now I gotta do an outro, boys. Gotta do an outro.
So guys, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you want to keep your balls.
Yeah, what Ben said.
He said the F word.
Man, he said the F word.